In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Klaviyo certification in just about 5 minutes. This is a fantastic opportunity for those looking to boost their digital marketing credentials or agencies aiming to offer more value to their clients. Let's dive into the steps to achieve this without any further ado. First things first, you'll need to access the Klaviyo website. Start by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Klaviyo URL. Once you've reached the Klaviyo landing page, look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. The design of the website is user-friendly, and navigating to the login section should be straightforward. After clicking on login, you will be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll need your email address and the password you set up when you first registered with Klaviyo. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's usually a link to reset it. Make sure you type in your details correctly to avoid any access issues. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the login button to proceed. Assuming you've entered the correct credentials, you should now find yourself on the Klaviyo homepage. This is the central hub from where you can access all that Klaviyo has to offer, from setting up new email campaigns to analyzing detailed reports on your marketing activities. Now, for the main agenda, becoming Klaviyo certified, on the homepage you'll need to navigate to the section dedicated to Klaviyo partners. Look for an option or menu labelled Become a Partner or something along those lines. It's your gateway to the certification process. Clicking here will direct you to a new page where Klaviyo outlines the benefits and requirements of becoming a partner. This is an important step as it aligns with Klaviyo's aims to build a strong network of knowledgeable and skilled digital marketers. Next, you should see an option to become an agency partner. This is specifically targeted at agencies that want to leverage Klaviyo's powerful suite for their clients. But remember, individual consultants or freelancers can also benefit from this certification. Clicking on this option will take you to a sign-up form dedicated to agency partners. At this point, it's crucial to ensure all the information you provide is accurate and up to date. Filling out this form is straightforward, but do take the time to read through the partnership details. Klaviyo values transparency and aims to foster healthy, beneficial partnerships that can genuinely add value to both parties. Once you've submitted the form, the ball is in Klaviyo's court. They will review your application, and depending on their criteria and your qualifications, will proceed with the next steps. This process is designed to be quick, usually not taking more than a couple of days. However, this may vary depending on various factors such as the volume of applications Klaviyo is processing at any given time. Klaviyo certification isn't just a badge to add to your website or email signature. It signifies a deep understanding of the Klaviyo platform and demonstrates your ability to leverage its features to drive tangible results for your clients or your own business. Furthermore, being certified opens up a wealth of resources from Klaviyo, including advanced training materials, support, and potentially even leads from businesses looking for Klaviyo experts. In conclusion, becoming Klaviyo certified is a step towards advancing your marketing skills and services. The process is designed to be seamless and efficient, reflecting Klaviyo's respect for your time and commitment to quality. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing skills, grow your agency, or simply explore new tools, Klaviyo certification is a valuable asset in your professional toolkit. And there you have it, folks. That's everything you need to know about getting Klaviyo certified in just around 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process, but its potential to elevate your marketing game is immense. So why wait? Dive in, get certified, and start reaping the benefits of your newfound expertise. Good luck! If this guide helped you, or if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.